sponsorship of oral nicotine pouches.
Riwruok mar Kenya Private Sector Alliance KEPSA koni giango ni chiegni kwana tamalo 45 mag rawere kaunti Mombasa onge kod thuolo mag tije gino makoro kidek nyang rochruok mar arita e kaunti no.
Kalore gi mano, riwruogno kachiel kod riwruoge mamoko ochako yanga chenro mar tiego rowere Mombasa e wi lony mopogore opogore manyalo kelonegi yuto to chutho mago motenre gi weche mag mbui.
Kano lose chenro no mubagi katego rawere mideno ni Swahili Port migao mar ohala kod limbe Mombasa koni giseketo thenge omwom mar neno onegi jiwo rawere timo ohala ma ok mana rito tije mag andika.
Magine giwacho banga yangore ni chike kod timbe mag dhoudi mopogore opogore ka dhowadh nam chumbi gin moko kuom gigo mosebedo ka thiro thoth ojende e yudo thuolo mag tije.
Going forward, including some of the past projects that we have done, like coast projects, where we have also trained more women and youth from to create value from waste, and hopefully, as we continue working together and empowering these youth and women, then we shall continuously fill that gap of unemployment.
Kwa hivyo njia ambayo imebaki mwafaka ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunashirikiana na watu kama KEPSA. Ona, kuhakikisha kwamba hawa vijana wanapata njia nyingine ambao waweza kujikumu kibiashara. Ndio sababu Mombasa County katika bajeti yangu hii ya kwanza nimeweka milioni 100 ya kuhakikisha niweza kuinua kina mama viazi. Wale mama wetu wale wanauza viazi, wale wachuzi wetu ambao wasukuma mkoteni katika sokoni, wale ambao wanauza ni hakikisha kwamba wanapata ajira kwa njia. Kwa tumehakikisha kwamba serikali ya hizi haina nafasi ya kuandika kila mtu kazi.
Upande wa jumuiya tuna mipango kutokana na ile project yetu ya GoBlue ambayo tuna EU funding. Imesaidia sana polytechnic hizi vocational training na kunisha kazi za uchumi samawati katika blue economy.
You can give capacity, you can give skills to someone, but what happens after? So linking them to opportunities, to partnerships, this is exactly what this intergenerational forum is about. So as Kenya Red Cross, we do this because our core mandate is to elevate human suffering. We're trying to see how can we better our support to the communities and the beneficiaries, especially to the vulnerable populations.
Yohala makwangeo miangwene boma mana Ivasha okwedo chendo mar